Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Got a little Vosteed meets Tuffknives. The Psyop. Man. Top liner lock. Let's hit them specifications. Blade length 3.32. Overall, this puppy is just over 8 inches, 8.01. Elmax steel flat grind on that drop point with a nice satin finish. Titanium gray handle, caged bearings. Like I said, it's coming to you from designer over there at Tuffknives. And it's coming to you, let's see, at 4.66 ounces. Top liner lock is flawless on this thing. The reverse flick is probably my favorite deployment. The front flipper, that reverse flick. Handle, all 4 fingers. Everything melts away. It's nice and clean on the inside of the hand. You can feel it clip just a hair, but nothing really squill about. The jimping up top, giving you plenty of traction when shit gets serious. There is one little thing there. See that detent ball poking out? Not my most favorite. So just one of them, keep an eye on it. You don't want to get nothing in it. It'll kill your action. But, man, is everything else spot on. Hardware, nice and smooth and clean out front. Same in the rear. Had to sneak that lanyard hole in there into that nice geared up back spacer. Dead nut center. Billboarding, spot on for Vosteed, no more than needed. Not bigger than needed. And that blade shape is just really useful. And that top liner lock is spot on. It is as good as any smock I've handled. Vosteed and Tuff knocked it out with this one. What do you think of the Psyop? You think they're pulling a trick on us? Drop that old comment. Hit that like button. Share it across something. And yeah, check out the Knifeaholics on Saturday night, y'all. Short and sweet. Stay sharp. Stay safe.